Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix vertical lines on iPhone screen. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue of vertical lines on your iPhone screen, so let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing, you just have to simply go back from here and you have to try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Not true that you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry or recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you have to simply open your settings app, go for general, go for software update, and you just have to try to make a software update. If you find any pending software update here, just try to update your software. So sometimes it might be that your pending software updates might have these type errors. Or if you're still having the same issue after updating your software, so you just have to go for general, go for the transfer reset iPhone. And very first, you have to try to reset your settings. So sometime it might be that you have enabled or disabled any settings, so which is preventing this type issue here. So you just have to try to reset all of your settings. Once you have resetted your settings, it will fix the issue. Or if it's still not fixed the issue, so you have to try to erase all content or settings. But before erasing all content or settings, you can try to check your iPhone's hardware or your display screen that there is an issue with your hardware. So you have to try to check it or fix it out. Once you have fixed your hardware issue, so you can also try to release all content or settings if there will be any virus or malware download or installed on your phone. It will be fixed in this tab and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.